big.
Yeah, really big. Mom, don't get your below, Mom. Mom, those are fire ants.
Are they? They're black.
Hey, look.
Judah.
Up there. They're coming from up there.
Judah, what happened? Why are you a little nervous about fire ants? Judah. Judah, do you think?
Yeah. It's butterfly.
I don't know if you can quite see it, but we found a giant turtle. It's alive. Turtle shell, turtle shell, turtle.
And turtles. Oh, the I think school snack.
Hi, turtle friend.
Oh, I found these. This, and this, and there's two more. And I found a whole turtle.
Hey, where's your turtle shell?
It's yellow and red. I like the awesome pattern on the. Mom, I like the awesome pattern on it.
That's crazy.
I like this pattern too.
They're very cool. This one still has a tail, so not sure.
Yeah.
So, ew, Obi.
Yeah.